This is day 38 of our daily lead code question series, and today's question is minimum deletion to make string balanced. In the question, we are given with a string S that contains only characters A and B, and we have to balance it. We have to return the minimum number of deletions we need to make in the string to balance it. In one deletion, we can delete any character A or B from the string, and a balanced string is a string in which there is no character B in the left side of A. Like in the given string here, this B is on the left side of A. Also, this B is also on the left side of A. So this string is not balanced. To balance it, we need to delete any two characters. We need to delete, if we delete this A and this A, this string will be balanced, as it will be like AA and these four B's. And if we delete this B and this A, it will also be balanced. It will be like 3 A's and 3 B's. So we need to form the string in such a way that all the A's are on the left side and all the character B are on the right side. So the point is here, there should not be any pair of the characters in the string where B is on the left side and A is on the right side. Like in this example, this B is on the left side and this A is on the right side. So what we can do is we can simply take a stack and we will push the characters from left to right while iterating over this string. And if we found at any point, if we found B at the top of the stack and we found next character as A, so we will pop this character, we will pop the B, and we will move our iterator to the next point. So by this method, we will count at every point when we pop a character, we will increment our count, and the final count value will be the minimum number of deletions we need to make S balanced. So let's code for that. So initially we will take count as 0 and we will take a integer variable I, and let's make a stack of characters. Let's name it as stk. Now we need to run the loop from starting to the end of the given string. So for I equals to 0, I less than s dot size I plus plus. Now if stack is not empty, then only we can check the top character. So let's write if not stk dot empty, then we will check. So as we discussed, we have to pop the characters only at that time when the top is pointing to character B and the new character is A, because that is the point then when we need to delete the any of one character. So let's write that if stk dot top is A, sorry, it's B, and the new character which we are going to push is A. So at that point we will pop the previous character B from the stack. So stk dot pop, and at every point when we pop a character, we will increment our counter that will store the number of deletions. And in the else part, if everything is fine, then we can simply push the character in the stack. So we will push stk dot push the current character, so which s of I, and finally after the completion of the for loop, we will return our count which will be the answer. So let's return the count.